whip, got it, job on it. Did I ever ask you to take me to go shopping in Paris or go sailing overseas and just drape me in Gucci? No.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl DiorJae here. If you're new here, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe. Make sure you check out my social media accounts down below in the description. As y'all can see by the title, I'm gonna do a hair tutorial. I love doing these. These are one of my favorite videos to do, even though I kind of suck at doing my hair. It's the trending claw clip hairstyle tutorial. So I recently just learned how to do this, so I wanted to show you guys how I do it. Very simple, but first let me just take my hair done. It's been in a bun for 2 days, so just getting back its like volume. When I had dyed it, it literally changed. It went completely loose, like it was like thicker but so light. It's so light. So before I get into the video, I'm gonna start off by showing y'all products I'm gonna use in this video. It's like what, 3 products. That's all I use. You obviously need gel, but I love the Eco Styling gel. This most definitely. Then you have the control. My favorite is by Edge Booster. And then what I'm gonna use to define the curls, I usually use just those 2 products. Oh yeah, I'll need water. It's really bad for you to detangle your hair while it's dry, okay? I usually use this mist spray bottle, but I don't like it. It's way too much work. This is so simple. I literally got this from Walmart for what, $1. The most obvious, you need a claw clip. First thing you should go ahead and do is part, obviously. Do the middle part. You could do the, can you do the side part with it? You can. Don't ask me why I'm using it, but it's literally been the easiest comb I've used to part my hair. I like to go from the center of my eyebrows all the way up. I'm just do it right here. A mirror right there to help me, because this tiny screen ain't gonna help me. Okay, y'all can see the part right here, right? So if y'all see like white stuff in my hair, I promise y'all it's not, you know, it's the gel. It flakes up in my hair. I struggle with dandruff, but like recently, since I stopped wearing the braids, it hasn't been like it completely disappeared. But I'm just gonna use this, part it better. Oh my god, that's the best I can part it. I don't know how it looks, but that's, if I keep messing around, it's gonna get worse. I'm just gonna try to like detangle my hair with it. A quick tip, the products works best when your hair is wet. And also, when doing your hair, always try your best to start from the end and then eventually work your way up, okay? It's less painful and you lose less hair. See? I know y'all can see that my hair is damaged, okay? But I feel like going back my regular hair color, I miss it so much. I hate when I'm like, oh, I want to dye my hair, and then when I have it for a while, I miss my hair color. And it's the same thing for braids. Like, see a hairstyle that I would love to do and then take my braid out and then regret it. I know I'm not the only one, and I have to deal with my hair again. But here you go. Make sure it's fully detangled. Even though you're gonna have to define the ponytail or the end for easier sleek back, detangle it, okay? Use this so the sleek back is like more smooth. Next step for you guys is put it back in like a very rough bun, right? Then you're gonna go in with your Eco Styling gel or whatever gel you use that works best for your hair. It doesn't matter. I like to put on my hands and then apply it. My hair needs to be washed so bad. Like, wash my hair. Yeah, when I took the braids out, and that was like a week before school went on break. Like, so The gel is now in it. You're gonna sleek it in the front. So my hair is short right here because your girl don't got no edges, so she gave herself some, you know? And the struggle is real. Don't come for me. Just take these. After you get it as sleek as you can, what I like to do is go in with the detangling brush and just really get it sleeked as much as I can. So because I cut like the edges, it pisses me off. So I like to go on my edge brush and just like completely try to straighten it out. Make it blend in as much as it can. You see that, bro? Like, it be pissing me off on the brush and just... I tell y'all, like, if it's one thing I suck at, it's like doing my hair. I usually be so good at combing my hair. Then I got obsessed with just like doing braids, and now I lost my touch. Black would look so good on me. Maybe I should just dye my hair black. Before I do hair, I do my edges first because y'all, I'm struggling. I think this is a fail. I'm gonna just put trying it. Like, this ain't no tutorial because you either get it or you don't. And I happen to not get it, you know. I did it like the first time I tried it, it worked. I think it's the parting. Bro, I think I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna just leave it like this and be like, bye y'all. I gotta, you know, I gotta try. This is why I just wear my hair in braids, so I don't have to be bothered with doing my own hair, because I can't. So I don't got no edges up here or here, and I'm just gonna these out. Yeah, the struggle is real. Now my forehead looks like a helmet. I do not have it. This is a complete fail. Like, I'm trying to give y'all a tutorial, and me myself need a tutorial. Don't be like me, okay? Big and can barely breathe. Okay, the edge is okay. I did it. I'm so sorry. I'm disappointed, y'all. Like, the whole point of this was to give y'all a goddamn tutorial, and me myself needs a tutorial. I was just like with it, and then I'm like, it's good. It's real good. You see them curls? They did. Don't dye y'all hair, y'all. My mom told me that it was gonna damage my hair, but I didn't listen. Yeah, I didn't listen. So let me go ahead with this and make sure the products are getting in. Okay, so now for the claw clip tutorial that y'all literally, I hope y'all waited. I'm probably sure that no one's watching by this time, you know. This, wrap it, bring it around, and then before you do it, just like adjust it on how far up you want it. Hopefully I'm doing this correctly so much. Wow. I think the claw clip is too big. Get this one and try. Is it better with this one? Yo, this, here you go. Here you go. Let me add in the last addition that I have to this. I feel like crying because I don't think I'm gonna upload this video because it's a fail. Fuck that shit, bro. Yay. Yeah. So slay. Just smile and not cry because I came on here to give you guys a tutorial and ended up failing. Let me try it one more time. I'm not gonna like roll it around. I'm gonna put it down here. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this is your sign to not give up, because what if I've like fully given up? It worked. Yeah, I finally figured out how to do it. I did it. I did it. I don't have a diffuser to make it look poofy or whatever. You could adjust it as high or as low as you want it. I want it to be this low. Enough talking. Here you guys go. You guys just watched me fail. Then I did not give up. So I actually did it. So unfortunately, this is not a fail. It's a win and a fail. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video of me trying the trendy claw clip hairstyle. I know it probably looks bad, but I feel like I did good. What I did is I clipped it underneath to get it as low as I could. And voila. I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.
Ain't no complication.